Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set custom background or wallpaper on PS5 home screen. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Before we start, you need a USB drive. It needs to be formatted either FAT32 or exFAT so the PS5 can read it. Next, you need a PC where you need to download the background. Inject the USB drive to the PC or Mac. Open the USB drive. Create a folder with name PS5 backgrounds or similar and copy the picture that you want to set. For this tutorial, I'll be using this image. Make sure to use the full HD or 4K resolution picture for better results. Once the image is copied to USB drive, eject it and then inject it to PS5 console. Wait for few seconds. After that, go to Media Gallery. On the top, you will find New USB tab. Select it. Locate the same folder and open it. Now you can directly save the image to gallery. So open the image and take the screenshot and now it will appear in the gallery. On the home screen, select welcome screen, navigate to widget and then select change background and then media gallery. Now select the same image and this will be applied to the PS5 home screen. For now, this is the best method to customize the look of your console. And that's all about this video. If you have any query related to this video, drop it in the comments. I will love to answer those. Thanks for watching.